All right, so I do some product reviews, and this was sent to me for a review. This is an outdoor solar street light, and it had a rattling noise, and only half the lights work. So I opened it up, and the cable tie has come loose. So this has been rattling around. You can see the damage, and it broke this wire. So this is why this set of lights doesn't work. So let's fix it. I'm going to do that. All right, now we need to get access to this. Make sure to change the settings so that I don't break it when I put it back together. Oh, it tried to escape. All right. Cut that off here. Let's rotate that around. And look at that. That's just broke. So let's see what we can do to fix this. Well, solder doesn't want to melt with this gun. Well, all right, we're resuming the video. Sorry about that. I had to plug up my more powerful soldering iron. But it's had a chance to heat up. Ah, I hit the plastic. Now, that is not pretty. Not by a long shot. But now the light works. Now, is it going to stay together? Yeah, that's going to hold. My fingers just don't do small items with the arthritis. All right. Had a black cable tie for this, but I don't know where it walked off to. All right, as you can see, that's sturdy now. don't want to break that glass. Now let's get a spudger here. Done it without it anyway. So here's the solar panel. Here's the entire light. And it looks like I got a wire in here. So I have to undo it and fix that. But you get the gist of it. It functions now. It didn't work before. So that's excellent. Hope the video helps you. Alright. I just got done getting the wire that was stuck unstuck. Now, remember, no matter how good you are at doing any of this, you're still going to make mistakes. You're still going to have problems. And there's nothing wrong with that, because we're all human. I'll move this over here. There we go. Boy, that really makes me nervous, clamping this back together. All right, as you can see, there's no wire, and everything still works.